Hi guys, this light bulb's just failed in our living room, so I'm just using one of my favourite Poundland tools. I think they call them plumber's grips or something, but they're quickly adjustable. I think they cost me £2 in Poundland. I use them for all sorts of things. So I've just crushed that to get the bottom off. You've got one wire there, which goes to the outer case, and that wire there goes to the center button. That one. And then I'm just using these to encourage the bulb to come off. I'm not looking to repair this. This is a one-way tear down. I'm just trying to remember if I've found anything useful inside these. Oh, come on. There we go. Right. Well, I don't know if we can see, but one of them has definitely got a black dot in the middle of it. Let's turn the spotlight off. Yeah, probably focus now. That one's definitely got a black dot in the middle of it. Others look okay. It's held in place with a white silicon. And we've got two chips. Let's see how close we can get in. I'll do a couple of close-up photos. Big Clive's done lots of teardowns on these over the years. He gives you a reverse engineering circuit on it, tells you how they work. And I have put these over a gas flame to soften the solder, or melt the solder, and used it to scrape the LEDs off, and then use them on other circuits. That's probably the quick and easy way to do it. It's an aluminium plate that it's all put on. Hold that over a hot flame, that melts the solder and everything drops off quite nicely. I think that's 2009 date up there. I wouldn't have thought so. 2009. Nah, I don't think we've had them that long. Right, I'll see if I can get the white stuff off so we can pop the aluminium plate out and have a closer look at it. Right, there you go. A little bit of gentle persuasion. So, aluminium plate, capacitor, the little docking station, or whatever you want to call it, that little clip there, you push it in and it's got teeth that grip it so you can't pull it out again. At least not easily. And same with them. It looks like there's a resistor in circuit there. I don't like these. I mean, they're convenient, but you see they flop about a bit. So potentially they could give a poor connection. Yeah, to say, I stick them over a hot flame and then all these bits just fall off. Or you can push them off. But I have no intention of trying to repair this. Right, I'll do a couple of close-ups. That chip, you can definitely see numbers on it. That one's got nothing written on it. And that's it. Job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.